So this guy, now this is bigger, so I have two sizes. Yeah, I went crazy. So there's the small one and then the big one. Of course, I didn't like either one as the silver, but I'm now at the point where I need to use these to plant before I have the chance to paint it. Looks like somebody did spray paint this one, but I did kind of like the shade. I think I just was obsessed with buying pots that day and bought too many, but it's a good thing because now I need it. So we're gonna start, because we have just only a small amount of dirt here. So I'm gonna fill the bottom, kind of take a look at how much or how close to the top. So I think I can use one more scoop. Oh, I just got a whole bunch of dirt in that water. Okay, one more scoop. Now, I know I've said I didn't want to do so much, but these guys is a big enough pot, right? And it gives me the ability to water from the bottom. So I'm not gonna keep it full like I had expected, but I am going to use this as the watering method. So, all right. Then I also have this little guy, so we're gonna find somebody to be a home in here. But for now, I'm gonna put some of this dirt back in here because I forgot. I want this guy. Ah, I found a worm! He's like, put me in some compost. Okay, none of these guys have enough food, so I am gonna have to put him in a separate little. Oh, he seems so sad. He needs some more food. Okay, I have to, sorry guys, I have to run him into my compost pile. Be right back. Okay, okay, good. Now back to this guy. So off to the side, but not so much that the plastic is touching the side. I want to push it in. And one of them I did angle a little bit. Let me see if I go all the way. You want it surrounded by dirt because the dirt is what's going to pull the water out from the holes. Also don't want the holes to be covered. So let's see, if I have it really low, it is going to stick out a little bit. Oh my gosh, the sun is just blasting me in the eyes right now. Can almost not even see what I'm doing. It's so windy and so crazy, but yet so sunny at the same time. You know, I've been through hurricanes in Florida, tornadoes in Minnesota, earthquakes in California. My God, these people are crazy. They're like, it's the worst disaster in the Netherlands. And I'm like, honey, please. Okay, so I'm gonna put as much on this side because I do want dirt on all sides of this little guy. And now I'm gonna check the height. I think I still need another scoop of dirt on this side. Yes, okay, so push that around. Here. Now, it's probably better for them to be dry when you're taking them apart, because then it gets a little muddy and funny, but I like to do what I want. Okay, here we go. Wow, okay, falling all apart. Woo, okay, cool. Yes, all right, now I'm just going right in here. Now this is the fun part. You kind of want to position them while you still can. Give them some good shape. Oh, push them down a bit there. Oh, perfect, actually. Really perfect, because I kind of like the plastic to be covered by the leaves. I'm looking at it from this direction, and then you look at it something like that and you go, oh my gosh. But be careful, because if you have flaws or things on your pots, you don't want that to be the front of the pot. So kind of pay attention to the pot that you're using, because not everything's perfect, and it doesn't have to be, because nothing's perfect. So you can just take a look, see if it's the right side of the pot that you want to use, a good decorative cover for your watering device, that your watering device is nice and low. And then once it's settled in, give it a nice push to get the roots nice and locked in. And then we can fill in the last little parts. Oh yeah, we're spilling everywhere. Woohoo! Digging in the dirt, yeah. Digging in the dirt, yeah. Tap it down. Now, trying to not get the dirt too close to the base of the plant. I want it to kind of grow into that spot. I want it on the roots, but not on the base of the leaves. So I'm just going to be careful, because if it gets too wet at the leaves will start rotting. You don't want them to be touching the super wet soil. But I'm not sure, can you see those little roots sticking out right here? I could cover those, so I am going to put a little bit more on there. Again, it would be better if I had created a potting soil mix. So, you know, I just want to keep repotting all my plants. So when I do get my vermiculite, I will probably repot everything. Yay! Exciting! It's not a chore if you love doing it, and that is the best part, is that having fun doing things and doing things all over again, because it's awesome. Wow, I didn't think I was going to love these pots, but you know, when you love the plant, so cute, you're so cute, you are so cute. Okay, so am I going to water from the top down? No, I am going to fill my water reservoir. Now, I'm not going to use this because it has a lot of dirt in it, and I'm a little bit worried that the dirt will get stuck in the holes. Oh, that's easy. Okay, so I'm going to get some clean, fresh water. Okay, this is tap water, and I did not pH balance it. I'm going to be lazy. These guys are super hardy, so I wanted to be super, super nice. And I just poured this, so it hasn't even sat 24 hours. I think I'm just gonna go, oh, I'm gonna only go quarter the way up. And it's already coming out. Oh, wait, wrong lid. Oh my goodness, how funny. What is that? That was weird. Anyways, okay, so here we go. Boop. So seal that in. Where's my chalk? So I'm starting to put the date that I water it on here. And so I will go back and add the date today. But oh my gosh, as much as I thought I was not gonna love this pot, I love this plant too much. So, wow. Can we just stop and appreciate how beautiful this is? Really makes my day. Really makes my day. You are so cute. So cute.